Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can clean the sensors in the Dream D10 Plus vacuum. So, what you should use to clean the sensor? I prefer to use the microfiber or the normal clean cloth and the pure alcohol. The IPA alcohol will be the best choice, but you can use also the small quantity or normal alcohol. Remember to do not use any hand cleaners with the glycerin or the other fragrance. So we can start from the main sensor. Try to just set the sharp end of the cloth and just clean it manually in this way. The other sensors are located on the back of your appliance, and there we have the few sensors. The sensor of the cliff, so it's located on the right, left side, and two on the front. So in the same way, just small quantity of the alcohol, just clean it with the cloth. And we have also the front sensor located here, so just try to clean it also. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.